Well, good morning to everyone. I am Rayyan and today I am here to do debate on an outstanding topic which is in the regard of season. That which season is better for the people, summer or winter? Well, personally, if I tell you that summer season is much better than winter season. First of all, let me clear about the diseases. What happens that if person is diseaseless, so he is as fit as a fiddle, he's amazing. So in summer season, what happens that when we do tiny work or we go outside, we lift heavy weight. So what happens that we get sweat. Okay, we wet in sweat. It happens mostly in summer, but it does not happen in winter. So a research and doctors they told that whenever a person gets sweat, more sweat he gets. So what happens? The diseases which are available in his body are released, are removed with the help of sweat. And this condition, this situation, when it happens, when summer season is available. If summer season is not available, so the diseases which are available in humans body can't be removed, can't be released. And let me make you count what kind of diseases are removed, like detoxification. Okay, second thing, temperature regulation. And second thing, if I tell you about miss immune system, these kind of diseases are removed and people get benefit when. Okay, that's all.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ishan and today we are debating here on a topic which is between two seasons. Winter season and summer season. Which season is better? In my approach, winter season is much better than summer season. First of all, I would like to answer him. As he mentioned about the theory of a doctors, that doctors say if you get the sweats in summer, which we get only in summer, you will not get diseases. You will be as fit as a fiddle. But this is incomplete theory. The complete theory, if you get sweats more than limit, your body temperature is not maintained. Is this good for your body? Going to any doctor, any theory of science? Obviously not. You are going to get cholera, dehydration, and many diseases are there. And just because of dehydration, we get 23 diseases. What about that? I agree with this thing that yeah, we get sweats. That's good thing in summer season. That thing can be done in winter season. That's possible in winter season also. Okay, but the sweats, the amount of sweat that we get in summer season, that is higher. Okay, we can get ill also. Next thing I would like to mention about the air quality. As people have misconception, there is fog on the road in winters, and accidents take place openly. People are dying. According to the United States Geological Survey, oxygen production in plants increases in only winter season, by which overall quality of air increases and pollution decreases. And if you are thinking, as Junaid Bhai was mentioning about the accidents, there are accidents happening on the road. Brother, technology is developing. With the passage of the time, we are improving. In today's generation vehicles, there is a feature which is called ADAS, by which what happens, your car can be can what do you call can get to know that is someone coming ahead, or there are headlights in all the vehicles. Brother, if you are not using, so that's no fault of winter season that you are getting accident. Okay, speak.
Okay, he mentioned about the people that in summer what happens, we get dehydration. Brother, let me clear. People who are, listen brother, listen, I am speaking. People who are people whose genetic is weak. Okay, means genetically they are weak. If weak, and they have less amount of water in their body, so it means they are weak physically, mentally they are weak. So what happens with them that in summer whenever they get the more heat, so what happens, they get means they faint. So it does not matter that there is season, there is fault of season, there is fault of their genetic weather. It happens also in winter whenever a person get more cool. So what happens, his blood is weak, his genetic is weak. So what happens, in a while he gets cold, he gets cough. So it's not fault of summer, or it's not fault of winter, it's fault of its genetic. Second thing, if I mention about the some people, they say that we do not sit with each other in summer. Sister, it's not fault of season, it's not fault of summer, it's not fault of winter, it's fault of your technology. Like today there is summer, tomorrow today there is winter. Okay, are we sitting together? In compulsion we are sitting together. We have technology, we have this mobile, we keep on using. It's not like that if there is summer so we won't sit together, if there is winter we will sit together. No, it's not logical point, I don't think.
Okay, as all the people are doctor in this team, they are here to tell us winter season is not the best season for your body. The season, summer season, where we get sweats, we get diseases, is the best season for you. Our immunity system is works better there. Our mind, our nervous system works better. I would like to tell you for your kind information, according to the survey of APA, American Psychological Association, it tells that the cold temperature of winter season stimulates your immune system. Stimulate means sakriya banana. Like whenever we take coffee, sting or these type of things, there is caffeine which stimulates our mind, by which we get a different kind of energy. Same thing happens with the cold temperature of winter season, which stimulates our immune system, and that because of that immune system we are able to fight with infections. Okay, so you need to know this also. You people are here in this team, they are saying every coin has two faces, and after saying this they are only looking at one face. What the hell is this? I would like to answer to my sister.
I would like to ask.
Okay.
Other, I want to say that you said that I means if accidents are taking place, so open headlight, and you told about a system, that there is a system you can use that system.
ADAS.
ADAS. So in how much cars it is available, this system. And second thing, I said you must had listen properly, that I said that in what happens in the summer, sorry, what happens in the winter, that brakes does not work properly. Why? Because of friction force decreases, because of water, brakes does not work properly, then accidents take place. It's not like that I am talking about headlight. And what's the role here?
Okay, because of water brake does not work properly, there is less friction force on the road, we get accident. There is water on the road, he said this, I heard properly this time. Everyone is, we are not talking about rainy season, brother, we are talking about winter season. There is no water in winter
Dew
season.
is there. In the winter, dew is there. You can.
Let me complete, brother, it's my turn to speak. Next thing you asked, in how many vehicles ADAS feature is available? In today's generation, all the cars, whether it is Nano or Scorpio or any other car which are being manufactured today, there is this feature available.
What is the
And according to
use
the
of this
data,
feature?
there are 38% vehicles in India where ADAS feature is available, and this feature is being brought today in scooties and in bikes also. So you also need to listen carefully, okay?
And what is the use of this feature?
Next thing I would like to answer to my sister Fabiha.
Why?
She mentioned days are longer in summer season. And some are saying from this team, days are longer in summer season, so we are able to do everything, and in winter season we are not able to do anything. What do you think? A day in winter, listen, let me speak. A day in winter season becomes 220 hours, but a day in summer season becomes 50 hours. We have time and time. We have nothing but time is there. We are able to complete all the, nothing happens. If there is an employee, let me give an example. If there is an employee, he is getting up early at 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock he goes to office, at 6 o'clock he comes back from the office to home, he will follow the same routine. Whether there is winter, summer, any season is there. How season is affecting his day? Whether nights are longer or days are longer, it's not affecting. Sleep cycle would be better, nothing will be better. These are just excuses, you need to understand.
I think you don't
Stand and
even
speak,
fo-
stand first.
means
English.
always he talks about nonsense things where is no sense, like he's saying that days are longer. Listen, days are longer, so it means there will be 20 hours. Is this much sense everyone have, that how there can be the full day? 24 hours are there for a day, so it will be 24 hours, but for a day there will be, if in winter there
Okay.
will be 10 hours, so
Okay,
there
okay.
will be
Everyone
12.
has this much sense that the day is 24 hours. After knowing this, that everyone has this much sense, still they are mentioning this point, and she's arguing with me. What kind of things you are mentioning? Next thing I would like to answer to Junaid Malik. He mentioned one more thing. Wearing a lot of clothes in winter season, it looks awkward. Wearing a lot of clothes in winter season looks awkward. Then wandering naked without wearing t-shirt in summer season, that's not awkward. That's good for you. But wearing jacket, covering your body, That looks awkward, brother. What type of things you are thinking, brother? Think before you act. Yes, speak.
Second thing, let me tell you about the winter season. That doctors told about the seasons that people who live in cool areas, they are ill and they are not as fit as a fiddle than those people who live in those areas in which there is heat, there is hot. Like if I mention about South Africa, there is heat, okay, there is summer, there is no any kind of coolness, there is no any kind of cool, there is no winter. So those people are as fit as a fiddle than those people who live in those areas in which there is cool, like Russia. Okay, what is there? There is summer whole year. In 12 months there is summer. So those people are not as fit as a fiddle as those people are as fit as a fiddle who live in hot areas. Like I have given an example, you an instance you.
Should I speak? Okay. Okay, sir.